Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Coda on Windows. For this guys, downloading the Coda desktop app, you will start by grabbing the installer directly from the Coda's official website. Open your web browser and navigate to the coda.io. Locate the download for Windows button and click the button to begin the installer download. Save the Coda setup.exe files to download the folder and ensure download complete successful. Installing the Coda on the Windows. Now that you have the installer, and let's your Coda up and running on your system. Open your file explorer and go to the download folder and double click the Coda setup.exe file. If prompted by the user account control, click yes to allow. Coda will automatically install itself to your system and wait for the installation process to finish. The Coda application should launch automatically after the installation. Installing setup and login. When Coda launches, you will see the welcome screen. Choose your preferred login method, enter your credentials and follow the on-screen prompts. Complete any multi-factor authentication if enabled and you will now see your Coda workspace dashboard. Start creating new docs or open your existing ones. Then tip for the Coda's users. So keep Coda's update and ensure you are running the latest version for a new feature and the bugs fixes. Sync your docs. Coda automatically syncs to the cloud, but you can manually refresh. Utilize the Coda's rich template gallery to jumpstart your project. Learn keyboard shortcut. Boost your productivity with the Coda's extensive shortcut. Check the offline access and configure the docs for the office use if your internet is unreliable. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.